So when you open up the chat window, you're going to be prompted with 4 questions. So essentially, these are just AI generated questions based on the data that you can see in the query. So since it's accounts receivable, let's start by asking a simple question. So list the 5 customers that owe me the most money right now. And this is quite an extensive query. This would be thousands and thousands of rows, because we're looking at every single invoice from the start of 2023. So more than 2 years worth of invoices, and this is all test data, so it's going to be pretty extensive. So what we have here is I told the chatbot Ask L what to do, and then it responded to me. It said, to determine the 5 customers that owe the most money, we'll analyze the outstanding amount for each customer. So let's process the data to find this information. And then it says the 5 customers that currently owe the most money are, and then it lists them there.